Check out Saussy Burbank's latest finished product. This is the Broadleaf, a one-story home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's in the lovely community of Summers Corner in Summerville, South Carolina. Let's go inside. You're welcomed by the beautiful hardwood floors that expand through the dining area, the kitchen, down the hall, and into the great room. This is a very large open space with recessed lighting, ceiling fan, chandelier, and pendant lights above the breakfast bar. Stainless steel appliances are already installed. And the Summers Corner community is a natural gas community. Full-size walk-in pantry for the kitchen. And great sight lines from the kitchen sink. Your first bedroom is off to the right with double closet doors. Your hallway bath is just across the way with a large vanity, white cabinetry, and tile floors. That's a cultured marble countertop. Your next secondary bedroom is just behind. Saussy Burbank gives all kinds of storage behind the walls. No space is left unreachable. Every person's dream is a huge laundry room space, which you could probably add more cabinetry or possibly a mud sink, as the space is quite large. Off of the back is your master ensuite. With its own private master ensuite. The separated vanities means you don't have to share. Tile floors and an extra large shower that is fully tiled. That's not an insert. Your water closet and master closet. Lots of space. Let's check out outside. Access to your backyard is through your laundry room, where you'll find your back porch equipped with a ceiling fan and cover overlooking your large backyard space. This home currently does not feature a garage, but you can add one. Saussy Burbank has many options. You can choose from a 1-car garage, a 1-car garage with a patio, a 1-car garage with a carport, and a 2-car garage. Some other things that you should know about the beautiful Summers Corner community. It has walkability. Within Summers Corner, there is a coffee shop, a restaurant, also a wine bar. They also arrange for many community events throughout each month. There is also going to be access to a grocery store just across the way. They've already started breaking ground. But in case you're not aware, Sandhill Elementary is already open, as well as Rawlings Middle School will open in 2018, August of 2018, along with the Performing Arts Pavilion. Can you imagine all the walkability and time you will save by living right here in Summers Corner in your very own Saussy Burbank home?